Hello everybody and welcome to the Dashboard Channel, your North Florida car show connection. This week we're taking you out to the Autism Awareness Carnival car show at a school off of Dunn Avenue in Jacksonville. I really cannot remember the school, what the name of the school was to save my life. Anyway, this is going to be our Walkabout cam video where we take a camera and a selfie stick and just go around and go through the car show and show you what's out there. Unfortunately, this week I was running solo and I did not have anybody to help me, so there are not going to be any in-depth 360-degree videos of the cars. I was limited on what I could do. At least I was out there going to the car show and getting the video. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do enjoy the video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. We're going to keep going out to the car shows. We're going to keep going and seeing what we can find, what different car shows we can find. Anyway, that's really all I got. I'm going to shut up now. We're going to get you out of the car show. So, let's rev it up for them hot rods. Alright guys, we're live again. We're out here at the Autism Awareness Carnival in Jacksonville off of Dunn Avenue. We're at a school. I can't remember what the name of the school is, but anyway, we're going to take you around and show you what cars are here. It's kind of on the small side, but there's still some cool cars here, so let's show you what we got. Got the Avenger 1 Mustang. Check this guy out. Tron. I don't know if it's picking it up very well, but he's even got the light bars on his Durango here. That's cool. Like I said, got some cool cars rolling in. They're still rolling in, even 40 minutes or 30 minutes into the show. So we're not going to be here much longer. We're going to finish up this live stream. We're going to take pictures and some little video of these cars that come in, and we're going to head out for the day because it is getting hot. Check out the Scooby-Doo K-Van. That's cool, ain't it? Yeah, a little mini chopper. Having to sweep back and forth so you can get all the cars that are out here. Captain America Venom hybrid thing here. The Champ is here. This one here is my favorite though. This awesome looking C10 lowered, laid out, custom pinstriping on the side. I like that. Well, of course, there's Esther the rat rod truck. Just have a little moment of appreciation of this Durango here. That thing is cool. He even did the rims and the wheels. Rims and tires, sorry guys. Waiting on these last two to park so I can get them. That's gonna wrap up this live stream from the Autism Awareness Carnival in Jacksonville. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Now we gotta finish up by taking some pictures and last little bit of video, and then we'll be out of here. So we'll see you guys out at the next one, whatever the next one may be. All right, everybody, that's gonna wrap up this video from the Autism Awareness Carnival at whatever the name of that school was. I'm sorry, guys, I cannot remember the name of this school for the life of me. I know it was an elementary school, and I know it was on DePaul Drive in Jacksonville, but I really cannot remember the name of it. Tells you how much I was paying attention to the name of the school. I was looking at the cars, and I was paying attention to the people. So, it is what it is. Anyway, this was a good car show. It was on the smaller side. It wasn't huge, but it was medium to small, manageable car show. Had good quality cars out there. So, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do enjoy the video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. It's really important that we get all the likes and subscribes. Make sure you're subscribed because we're trying to get to 500. That's our initial goal. We got to get that 500 subscriber goal. We are at 369. We are clawing our way up the numbers. Anyway, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you do enjoy it, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share. We're going to keep going out to the car shows as long as we can. We're going to bring you as many car shows as we can. And we'll see you guys out at the car show, wherever, whenever, whatever it may be. See you out there.